Video.
Oh, it's wonderful. Let me show you the new man in my life. Sam. Sam Song is his last name, Song. And I'm singing while I open him. Hola, hola, hola. But where am I going to put the pizzas? I forgot about the pizzas. Oh, we don't buy them. We buy them in... Notice the first thing in our fridge.
No. The milk
First
was
thing
actually
milk.
the first
Oh,
thing.
man.
Second thing, Pepsi.
Okay. This is where the fruits and vegetables go. These right here. This is where the meats and things like that go. This is where the dairy goes. This is just a side thing that random, like yogurts. The can. How many cans?
4.
Stupid people. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. Ice maker 1. Ice maker 2. Beautimus.